Standing at the crossroads of faith and deepest fear, so afraid of failing if you move on from here. The road ahead is steep, but you're not giving up, 'cause God's about to take you to a brand new place of trust. Take a step of faith. It's time to move. Lay aside your fears and watch what God would do. There's victory ahead. That mountain's not too high. Friend, hold on, 'cause you're about to climb. Higher heights await you beyond what you have dreamed, and they're yours for the taking if you dare to believe. So leave your doubts behind and let God make you brave, 'cause He has gone before you and He's already made a way. Take a step of faith. It's time to move. Lay aside your fears and watch what God would do. There's victory ahead. That mountain's not too high. Friend, hold on, 'cause you're about to climb. You may feel you can't go on. It just seems too hard, but put your hand in His. He will take you to the star. Take a step of faith. It's time to move. Lay aside your fears and watch what God would do. There's victory ahead. That mountain's not too high. Friend, hold on, 'cause you're about to climb. You're about to climb. When you're up against the wall and your mountain seems so tall, and you realized life's not always fair, you can run away and hide, let the old man decide, or you can change your circumstances with a prayer. When everything falls apart, praise His name. When you have a broken heart, just raise your hands and say, and Lord, you're all I need. You're everything to me, and He'll take the pain away. When it seems you're all alone, raise your hands and say, greater is He that is within me. You can praise the hurt away. If you just praise His name, oh, you can overcome by the blood of the Lamb and by the word of your testimony. You'll see the darkness go as your faith begins to grow, and you're not alone. So how can you be lonely? And everything falls apart. Praise His name when you have a broken heart. Just raise your hands and say, Lord, you're all I need. You're everything to me, and He'll take the pain away. And when it seems you're all alone, praise His name. When you feel you can't go on, just raise your hands and say, greater is He, and that is within me. You can praise the hurt away. Greater is He that is within me. You can praise the hurt away. If you just praise His name. Jing yala bat ya jingrwai jing iet pa jai jai Henry gas kem jing ai a shabam jukot ha u ban yai Hato pitip you nongpynim ya uha pingin pla menta shabom jukot uyai ne shisha uday uji Pitip you nongpynim u it e ya pi u get karam jonga bangamla bansil ulong kloy ban pisak manuble uyeng bat ya sụp hình yo man Hato pite biu nong pen em ya u ha pinyin pla men ta sha bom ju Pite biu nong pen em u it e ya pi u day u jisu u ya pan ai jing pen em a hatu pite biu nong pen Trai jingrwai mi la ai ngan jingrwai la jingya ro ngan say Shillong ka jingshai ka perthei pendon burom you play kentil la sur de jingrwai Shillong ka jingshai ka perthei Trai jingrwai mi la ai ngan jingrwai la jingya ro ngan say Shillong ka jingshai ka perthei pendon burom you play kentil la sur de jingrwai Shillong ka jingshai ka perthei Jing i trong u bom chu cột tang ha u ngan sha nia lut hu Chris mau siang bas kem ngai yeng la jing dom sao dong ki wan ka marway nga sa ban yeng ngam la kamit sunya shasni ba shai sur pha Trai jingrwai mi la ai ngan jingrwai la jingya ro ngan say Shillong ka jingshai ka perthei pendon burom you play kentil la sur de jingrwai Shillong ka jingshai ka perthei Dang bat u bakut ukba bakrau milong shabam juku bakut long u play bahak liet dam ki bleng ki pen ra ya purom jong u trai Tiêu Nam you sin Hosanna nong tiêu nam yu sim để jingrwai bat jing tem kim tiêu nam yu sim Hosanna nongpynim kim tiêu nam yu sim để jingrwai bat jing tem Trai jingrwai mi la ai ngan nhai ruai la jing ya ro ngan say ji Shillong ka jing shai ka perthei Trai jingrwai mi la ai ngan nhai ruai la jing ya ro ngan say ji Shillong ka jing shai ka perthei Pindon buram yubilei Kim tiêu la sur da jingrwai ji Shillong ka jing shai ka perthei ji Shillong ka jing shai ka perthei